What are blizzards? By Mari Shu. What is a blizzard? Lots of snow falls. A strong wind blows. A bad winter storm is here. It is a blizzard. Blizzards can happen when warm air rises over cold air. Snow forms. More and more snow falls. It lasts for 3 hours or more. Some blizzards last for days. Whoosh! Wind blows the snow. It is hard to see. Look, snow piles up. The wind makes big drifts. Drift. Staying safe. Brrr. It is very cold. It is best to stay inside. Temperatures can be below 0. People can get frostbite. See the icy roads. Cars slide on the ice. They can crash. People should not travel. The blizzard is over. The wind and snow have stopped. People dig out their cars.